Hello students, welcome to our platform. Today I will discuss a question, very awesome question. Here is a question, you have to solve this. Okay? And you know very well that this has two solutions. As already you know that every quadratic equation has two solutions. Every quadratic equation has two solutions as follows. Now we will discuss the both the solutions and we will find the solutions by two methods. By two methods. First of all, many of the students will find the solution of this equation, this exponential equation, by putting the values. This is called the hit and trial method. All right. आप क्या करते हो यहाँ पे, जैसे ही आपको मालूम चलेगा कि ये यहाँ पे x इक्वल टू 1 पुट करके हम वैल्यू को 10 बना सकते हैं, तो क्या करेंगे आप x इक्वल टू 1 पुट कर देंगे और यहाँ x इक्वल टू 1 पुट कर देंगे, तो 5 टू ज़ा 10 बन जाएगा. बट वहां पर एरर आएगा. ठीक है, वहां पर एरर आएगा. क्यों एरर आएगा, ध्यान सुनिए. क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक्स स्क्वायर है. आपको पता है जब जितना ज्यादा डिग्री होगा, ठीक है, जितना डिग्री होगा, the number of degree is equal to the number of solutions, number of values of any of the equation. All right, let's begin the proceeding of the solution. Now first of all, I will continue with the first method, that is by taking log, by the method of logarithm. All right, now as per our question, that is 5x square into 2 की power x, that is equal to 10. Now after taking logarithm both side ln, we will take ln 5x to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power x is equal to ln 10. Applying here the multiplication rule, we will get ln 5 to the power x square plus ln to the power x, that is equal to ln 10. Now here you know very well that this x square will come this side in the multiplication. X square times ln 5, this will become x square times ln 5 plus, and this will become x times ln 2, and here ln 10 equals to 0. You know very well that this is a form of a quadratic equation. If you will see this, this is a form of a quadratic equation. How? Here is the power 2 variable, and here is the power 1, and here is a constant. Means it is a form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Every quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, provided a should not be equals to 0. Provided a should not be equals to 0. If a will be equals to 0, then it will become bx plus c, that is equal to 0. That will become a linear polynomial or a linear equation. All right, linear equation, but not the quadratic equation. So a must not be equal to 0. B can be 0 and c can also be 0, but a can't be 0. All right, now we have to solve this quadratic equation. This quadratic equation for finding the value, and every quadratic equation has the two values, two set of values. That two set of values can be imaginary or a real or both. All right, now after solving this, what we will get, let's do it. Ln 5 times x square, and here was ln 2 times x plus ln 2 times x and minus ln 10. You know very well that if we compare it with the standard general quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation, that is equal to x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then what we will get? This ln 5 equates with the a, and value of b will be here ln 2, and value of c will be ln 10. Applying the Sridharacharya rule, we will get x is equal to minus b. B what? Minus ln 2 plus minus square root of the discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. That will become b square. B square means ln2 times to the power 2 plus, sorry, minus, but here is the minus already, so it will become plus. It's a minus 4ac, but c is already negative, so negative and negative completes the positive, makes the positive. Now here will be 4 times a. A is your ln 5 and c is your ln 10. Now upon twice times a. Twice times a. Twice times means twice of ln 5. Twice of ln 5. First of all, we will solve this part only, the discriminant part, so that our calculation should be in a very fine steps. Okay. Now ln 2 times whole square plus 4 times ln 5 plus ln 10. What we will get here? ln 2 times whole square plus 4 times ln 5 plus into ln 10. If we distribute the ln 10 into 2 into 5, then what will become? ln 2 plus ln 5. After multiplying 4 ln 5 into ln 2 and plus ln 5, what we will get? We will get here 4 times ln 5 into ln 2 plus 4 times ln 5 whole square. All right. This is the discriminant. This is the discriminant, this part. Discriminant part. This is only the discriminant part, not the whole value of the x. All right. Okay. All right. Now, after solving with this, you know very well that this is a perfect square. This is a perfect square of ln 2 plus twice of ln 5 whole square. This is a perfect square of ln 2 plus twice of ln 5 whole square. And if we put a perfect square in the discriminant, means in the square root, then in the input of the square root, then what will it become? It will become that its value will be ln 2 plus twice of ln 5, provided this should be positive. All right, this should be positive. All right. Now what we will get the answer afterwards? We will get the answer x is equal to minus ln 2, that was minus b in the Sridharchal rule formula, plus minus, and square root answer was that ln 2 plus twice of ln 5, ln 2 plus twice of ln 5, and in the denominator that was twice of ln 5. Now after solving this, what we will get? That if we take the positive value, and after here we will take the negative value. If we are taking the positive value, means the root having the positive, then what will become? It will become minus ln 2 plus ln 2 plus twice of ln 2, that will cancel out. ln 2 and ln 2 will be cancelled out, and it will be simplified to ln 2 times ln 5 upon twice of ln 5, and here becomes the solution, that is equal to 1. Means we have got the first solution of our exponential equation, that was x equal to 1. Now we have to find the another solution. By hit and trial method, you have already find the x equal to 1 solution, that was x equal to by putting the value by hit and trial method. All right, by hit and trial method you have already find the x equal to 1 solution, but I have already told you that every quadratic equation has a 2 solution. By hit and trial method you can't find that the second solution, so we have to solve it by the basic methods. That is 2 types. First of all, logarithm method, and second type I will explain afterwards. All right. Now after taking negative sign, what we will get? Minus times twice of ln 2. All right, minus times twice of ln 2 and minus times twice of ln 5, with the denominator twice of ln 5. After simplifying it, we will get minus times ln 10 upon ln 5. All right, this is the second solution of that exponential quadratic equation. All right, this is the second solution. Now first solution was x equal to 1, and the second solution was minus times ln 10 upon ln 5. All right, this is the first method. This is the very basic method by which you can find the solution of that equation. But here are some more examples. Yeah, we can say that there is some more ways of finding the solution. We will discuss it now. This is the second method. Second method, how we can find the solution of that equation within seconds. All right, within seconds. Now, first of all, what we will do, we will do that if the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, if there is a equation that is equal to x square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then provided that if provided this is the rule, you can say that this is a shortcut method. If we provided that if a plus b plus c makes 0, note that point. If a plus b plus c makes 0, then what it will be defined? Then already I have told that if a plus b plus c makes 0, then there will be a solution that is equal to x equal to 1 of that equation, of that quadratic equation. All right, this is the defined, this is the defined solution of that ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 quadratic equation if the coefficients of the variables is makes, or you can say that sum up to 0. If the coefficient of the x square, x and the constant term means a, b and c, the constant terms in the quadratic equation makes up to 0, adds up to 0 or sum up to 0, then only it will be defined. All right, and now here, from here you can do it by factorization method also. If you know that x equal to 1 is the solution, one root, then you can find the other solution, other root of that quadratic equation by factor theorem also. All right, by division method also, by division algorithm, by dividing x minus 1, this quadratic equation, you can find the other roots, other solution of that quadratic equation. All right, now I am going to explain you a new formula, that is Vitas formula. Right, Vitas formula. What it says? It says that the two roots x1 and x2 will always make equals to c by a, will always make the equals to c by a, provided one of the root must be 1, equal to 1. If one of the roots of the of the quadratic equation is 1, if one of the roots of the quadratic equation is 1, then we can apply Vitas formula, that is equal to x1 into x2, means the product of the two roots, means alpha into beta must be equal to c by a, provided that one of the root must be equal to 1. Either it may be alpha or beta, it depends on the type of the question. All right, now as we have seen here, our quadratic equation was this: x square ln 5 plus x times ln 2. Let me cut it. Let me cut this point. Let me cut this one, this part of equation from here. All right, if we cut this point of equation from here, then I have to paste it here. Now I'm going to paste it here. Here is your quadratic equation. Now what you have to do it here? What you have to do it? Listen. As I already explained you that if a plus b plus c means coefficients of any quadratic equation makes or sum up to 0, then its solution, its one root will be always x equal to 1. Let's check it. Let's check it in this equation. Is it applying or not? It is satisfying or not? Now a means ln 5 plus b means ln 2 and c means minus times ln 10. Is it making up to, it is adding up to 0 or not? Here it is ln 10 and here is it is also ln 10, and you know very well that ln 10 minus ln 10 makes up to 0 and 0 equals to 0, means hence proved that this a plus b equals to 0 statement, it is satisfying. So here x equal to 1 must be the solution. X equal to 1 must be the one of the root of this quadratic equation. Now, as already I have told you that you can find the other root from here by dividing method, by division algorithm, by making the factor, means x minus 1 as a factor of this quadratic polynomial. Now, and by dividing this quadratic equation by x minus 1, you can find that the other root, other solution of this quadratic equation. And second thing, you can apply here Vitas formula also, because as already explained you in the Vitas formula, the one of the most important point you should remember that if one of the root is x equal to 1, then the product of the roots must be equal to c by a. Then the product of the roots must be equal to c by a. C by a. And what is c by a? What is c here? Here c is minus ln 10 upon, and what is a? What is a? A is ln 5. A is ln 5. And now you know already that x1 is equal to 1. So x2 will become minus times ln 10 upon ln 5. So you got that second root. You got the second solution. Now here are the solutions by the two methods. As already I have told that in the beginning of the video, I will explain that that exponential equation by the two methods. First will be the logarithm method, and second will be your direct method, shortcut method, by which you can use the conceptual methods also. You can say that it is a conceptual method also. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and share to most of the people. Okay, we will begin with the next video with the next question. Thank you.